Dr. Aleem Gangjee, a research scientist and distinguished professor of medicinal pharmacy, has created 3 new promising compounds that don't appear to have the issues other drugs on the market have.
Cancer treatment has come a long way, particularly chemotherapeutic agents, which are drugs that are used to treat cancer. However, there are some major problems associated with it, and one of those problems is the toxicity of the compounds that are used as chemotherapeutic agents. These compounds generally are not selective, so they kill both the cancer cell as well as the normal cell, and that's a serious problem. Our compounds, the ones that we have discovered, these compounds, they are extremely potent agents, so they function in very small quantities, but they're able to circumvent all of the problems we have with some major drugs like paclitaxel for the treatment of breast cancer and other cancers. So our drugs are very, very soluble in water, and so they don't need long durations of time for administration.
National Institutes of Health believe that Dr. Gangjee's research is promising enough to award him a $1.3 million grant.
These compounds are like mini Trojan horses, and they actually trick the tumor into thinking that it is receiving something that is going to help build the tumor. And by the time the molecule begins to have its effect within the tumor, it actually stops the growth of the tumor.
We have researchers that are examining the effects of a neurotransmitter, dopamine for example, and how that is related to either some chronic disease states, Alzheimer's, or in chronic addiction. And so we have several researchers in the neurochemical area that are really trying to discover how those receptors are being interacted by those particular neurotransmitters and what we can do to manipulate that in order to better serve and to be able to manage those particular disease states.
A good example of the research that we carry out is our work in the pharmacy practice group at Duquesne University, where we studied the disease states of asthma and migraine headaches. And the faculty and students involved with this research are making strides in managing those diseases. The work demonstrates also the opportunity for pharmacists to play an important role in improving patient outcomes.
I think that a graduate student considering the pharmaceutical sciences would really benefit coming to a community like Duquesne University in the Graduate School of Pharmaceutical Sciences, because they would be among those that are really making a difference in healthcare.